Well, when the HP first came out, the first material they released was the PA12 nylon, and that was more of a general purpose material. That they were trying to hit as many applications as they could with that.
You can print it directly in a very common injection molding material and have properties that are going to mirror or mimic exactly what you're going to get out of an injection molded part. Most notably with the MJF process is going to be that the parts are isotropic, and that is really beneficial to being able to look at whether or not I want to injection mold my part or if I want to actually get it printed.
That's the material obviously that we first rolled out with. And now as the industry is starting to adopt the technology, material companies are starting to develop more and more material options for the platform. The second material release was a PA12 glass bead that we also carry.
The benefits of nylon 12 glass bead are going to be really seen when you need to find something with a bit stiffer material properties. Overall, the 40% glass filled on it is going to have very similar properties in nylon 12, just in certain scenarios when you need something with a higher heat deflection temperature or something that's going to provide a little bit additional strength and overall stiffness to the part is when you're going to want to use a nylon 12 glass bead.
The latest material that is being released for the 4200 series is Lubrisol's TPU. That's more of a rubber-like material.
And that really is unique because we're going to be able to do that on the MJF platform. Up until recently, you had to look at doing that on the FDM printing process, which inherently was not very good for mass production, as well as getting kind of the part properties that you needed. So being able to do this on the MJF platform allows us to create parts that are actually going to be used in production. The benefits to the material specifically are going to be the impact resistance and the heat deflection temperature for it. And what I really like about the MJF process is going to allow us to create internal structures that give a durometer that the customer is actually going to be looking for. So standard, you're going to have a 95 Shore A durometer. However, if I need something with a 70 or even down to a 50, I can look at doing an internal lattice structure that changes the compression ratio of that part and really gives the customer what they need.
Just the HP, the PA12 is a great material to work with because it is so multifunctional. It really, we've done drone bodies, we've done different cases, different housings, all sorts of different applications.
One of the biggest benefits to all the materials available with the HP MJF platform is the fact that they are all going to be isotropic, meaning that any which direction that you pull and compress the part, you're going to get the same response from it. And that's not really been the case with additive manufacturing up until this point, and really enables us to do larger production runs.